While most companies were stuck with their old models, Tesla engineers were quietly preparing for a new revolution. No noise, no show, just a technology being quietly developed that would change the face of the future. Elon Musk has surprised the world again, but this time it's not just a new motor, it's a game-changing move. This is not a simple update but a jump that leaves other companies behind right from the start. This motor is so advanced that some experts are saying it's like it came out of a future machine. It is fast, light, and so efficient that it uses every drop of electricity properly. The car now runs even smoother. No noise, no waiting, just instant response. And the best part, Tesla has designed and coded it so intelligently that it is giving more power even with less energy. This is where it leaves everyone behind. But now the big question is, how did Tesla do all this? What is the technology that makes it so special? And what new turn is going to come in the world of automobiles now? This story begins from where the rest stopped, with Tesla's new motor that not only changed the definition of a car, but also changed the direction of the entire race. And yes, if you want to know more such amazing stories of technology first, then subscribe to the channel. This time Tesla has done something that has shaken up the entire world of electric motors. For years they have been at the forefront of the EV race, but the new blast they have made now does not seem like an upgrade but a new chapter. They have created a motor that is so powerful that the old designs now seem like a thing of the past. Imagine, this motor propels a 2-ton heavy car to a speed of 60 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. We got to see its first sample on June 10, 2021, at the Model S Plaid event, where Elon Musk showed a small motor which looked like it could be lifted by hand, but had so much power that it could turn the entire sedan into a rocket. The heart of this motor is its rotor, which is wrapped so tightly with carbon fiber that it neither expands due to heat, nor wears out under high pressure, nor gets damaged easily. There was a big problem with the earlier motors. They would overheat and slowly start breaking. But Tesla has developed a technique that wraps the rotor with carbon fiber so tightly that everything locks into place. This leaves only a hair-thin layer of air between the rotor and the stator, which gives a huge boost to both the power and efficiency of the motor. The result is that the rotor can rotate 20,000 times a minute, while this motor starts where other companies give up. Testing agencies like Motor Trend have also confirmed that Tesla's new motor is about 25% faster than the previous one. That means it's not just a motor, it's become a new standard for EV technology. While Tesla was making its mark in new technology, it was quietly making its presence felt in different parts of the world. In early 2024, Tesla made its first presence felt in South America in Santiago, the capital of Chile. Now it was not just a showroom, it also had a service center and a supercharger hub, meaning a complete package. Then, in April 2025, it also made its presence felt in Saudi Arabia. A large store and service center were opened in Riyadh, and plans were made for cities like Jeddah and Dammam. This move aligns with Saudi's Vision 2030, which plans to have 1/3 of the cars in the capital be electric. In 2012, when most big car companies were considering electric vehicles as just an experiment, Tesla started something that everyone took lightly at first: the supercharger network. Initially, people thought that this is just an extra benefit for some newcomers, but today this network has become Tesla's biggest strength. By the beginning of 2025, Tesla has installed more than 7,100 supercharger stations and more than 67,000 charging stalls all over the world. That is, no other company is able to provide charging facilities at such a fast and large scale. And these chargers are not ordinary plug points, their reliability is top level. For the first time in the US, Tesla has also opened some of its charging points for EVs of other companies. According to the company, the uptime of their chargers is 99.97%, meaning they are on and ready most of the time. No worries of broken chargers, no hassle of scanning, just plug in and go. Everything is straightforward and simple. Tesla is constantly improving its charging experience. The current V3 superchargers are delivering up to 250 kilowatts of power, adding about 200 miles of range in 15 minutes. But now Tesla is introducing V4 chargers, and these are even faster, charging speeds of up to 325 kilowatts, built-in CCS adapter so that cars of other brands can also be charged, and the option of credit card payments so those who do not have the Tesla app can also use it easily. Until now, superchargers were only for Tesla users, but now the matter has changed. In 2023, Tesla made a deal with the US government in which they promised that by the end of 2024, more than 7,500 charging stalls will be open to other EVs as well. And with this, Tesla also started getting funding from the National EV Infrastructure Fund, NEVI. Under this deal, Tesla is opening more than 3,500 new and old chargers across America for the general public. But the real game had started even before this. At the end of 2022, Tesla gave a new name to its special charging plug, North American Charging Standard, NACS. At first people thought it was just a marketing trick, but then the magic happened. One after the other, brands, Ford, GM, Rivian, Volvo, Mercedes, Hyundai, Kia, Honda, Toyota, Nissan, even premium brands like Lucid and Polestar agreed to adopt Tesla's plug from 2025. This means that Tesla's plug, which was once only for its vehicles, has now become the standard for the whole of North America. And with this, supercharger is no longer just the world of Tesla people. Now it has become the easiest and most reliable charging option on the road for every EV owner. This is not just a convenience, it is a big change in the EV world. Now every auto company is seeing only two options: either build its own expensive network and spend billions of dollars, or adopt Tesla's already established system. And most have chosen the second path because Tesla's network is already ready, fast, and reliable. People's trust in Tesla is not just a gimmick, it's actually a big gamble. Tesla drivers aren't just using the network, they're now completely used to it. And now that other companies' vehicles are also plugging in at the same supercharging stalls, Tesla is earning money from every charge. Experts say that by 2028, 1 in every 3 charges in the US will be for a car from another company, not a Tesla. Right now, only Ford vehicles are included in this, but it is believed that Rivian will also start charging from this year. This is no ordinary business. It is making charging a proper revenue model in which no matter whose car it is, the profit goes to Tesla. This formula is now spreading globally. In Europe, most superchargers already come with 2 types of cables so that Tesla and all other EVs can be charged in the same line, like everyone fills the tank together at a petrol pump. France, Germany, Netherlands, the same scene is seen everywhere. The network is still small in China, but look at the speed. In 2024 alone, more than 6 crore, 60 million charging sessions have been done there, which is double the pace of last year. Now let's talk about their new plan. Tesla is now building mega sites that will have more than 100 charging stalls, solar roofs on top, and battery storage, Megapack, as well, so that there is no load on the local electricity grid. The special thing is that Tesla designs its chargers just like it does its vehicles. The software, the inside hardware, everything is its own. This is the reason that when an update comes, it changes all over the world simultaneously. That too, without opening a single screw. And the most amazing thing is how easy all this seems to the user. Think, you stop with your car, plug it in, go to get a snack, and when you return, the car is ready after being charged. No app downloads, no helpline calls, no hassle of figuring out which charger will work for which car. All the same, one plug, one system, and a brand that thought of it before anyone else. While other companies are still planning their charging infrastructure, Tesla's road trips are smoother than ever. There is no doubt that Tesla's charging network is the fastest, most reliable, and most efficient system ever. Sorry, Ford, but that's the truth. But the real bombshell is yet to come. Tesla's hidden brain weapon that is making the car smarter with every mile. And that is Tesla's AI system called Dojo. So far we have talked about Tesla's software, but the real engine powering this whole game is this Dojo. This is not a normal server, this is a supercomputer that Tesla has designed for itself. While other companies waited for cloud services or ready-made chips, Tesla decided that it would not depend on anyone. At his first AI Day in 2021, Elon Musk showed the world something that shook the technology world: Dojo. It may not make as much noise as a new car, but in reality, this is the engine that is taking Tesla miles ahead of other companies, and that too every day with every update. Tesla has done what most companies are afraid to even think about. They have built their own supercomputer, and this is no ordinary computer. It has been specially designed to handle the real-world video data recorded daily from Tesla's vehicles. Tesla's AI team has built such a powerful system that even the tech world is surprised. To see its heart is a chip named D1. Now this D1 is no ordinary chip. It is filled with about 50 billion transistors and 354 cores, which are made from TSMC's 7 nanometer technology. But Tesla did not stop at just one chip. They combined 25 such chips to create a training tile, which looks like a thin pizza box, but is no less than a computing beast in function. One tile can process 36 terabytes of data per second, and works at a power of about 9 petaflops. This tile also has its own cooling and energy management system. Now add 6 tiles and you get a tray, add 2 trays and you get a cabinet, and by adding 10 such cabinets, Tesla has created a computing monster that it calls Exapod. It has more than 1 million cores and can do billions of calculations every second. That is, it has crossed the speed of exaflop. Now the question is, why is all this necessary? Because Tesla does not train its self-driving cars with any animation or fake simulation. It trains them directly with the footage of vehicles running on real roads. As soon as a car sees something different or unique, like a dog sitting on a skateboard, an overturned truck, or a policeman controlling traffic, the car records a short video clip of it. That clip reaches Tesla's server, and then Dojo uses it for learning. Tesla's cars record about 1 million miles of new driving footage every hour. As more of these Dojo chips and tiles are made, they will get cheaper and faster, saving both power and time. Dojo is designed to create a new perception model in just a few days, which other companies cannot do, even in weeks. This is why Tesla is making its full self-driving system smarter every 2 weeks. And it's not just about speed, it's also about cost. H100 chips from big brands like Nvidia have become very expensive these days, and it can take up to a year to buy them. Elon Musk himself said that it would be crazy to stick to such expensive chips, and so Tesla did what probably no one had even thought of. They made their own processor. Now Tesla is not just making cars, it is also making its own brain. This is why, by the time other companies think, Tesla is already ahead. And yes, some will say that more power doesn't mean more safety, but the point is that no one else has the freedom that Dojo has. If chip prices skyrocket or governments ban exports, Tesla doesn't have to depend on anyone. They have their own hardware, their own data, and their own software system, the complete package that allows them to move at their own speed. And the best part is that Dojo isn't just limited to cars. This system could one day teach Tesla's humanoid robots how to move like humans. This technology could make their solar and battery systems more intelligent, like when and how much energy to use. Everything is being built on a single robust and flexible platform. And if you want to be the first to know more technology stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now the next revolution starts.